1,000,000 kilometers river. We are going down there, my G's. Let's see how it's popping. The man behind the camera, yo guys, if it's your first time in my YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe, like and comment. I'll be showing you environmental videos, something like that. You guys, you better enjoy, you better watch it. We are going down to the river. It's so far. Let's zoom. Let's see what's happening. We are going down there and then up, and we'll see the road. So let's, guys, make sure you enjoy this adventure. And please, I'm just begging, if it's your first time, maybe even I don't have any subscriber, it's my first video though. No, I think it's my third video, and I got no subscriber, no viewers. Oh my god, I don't know. So guys, make sure you enjoy, you subscribe to see my adventure videos, or maybe we can call it them vlogs. Yeah, let's go. See where you have come from. Up there, it's so far away, by the way. Let's see. And the river that passes here is, I don't know, what can we say? Finally. Hey, what the fuck? The drought. This means drought. You see, this river used to go up there. Up. Yani, you see this stone? You cannot see this stone. But because it's like drought is coming, the sun is small. Yeah, and the sun is small. I mean, you know, it means that this season will be bad. So let's continue with our journey. Now we are going up there. Let's see what's popping. How is this, man? It's so far away. We've come so far away, and we don't know where we will be going. What will all be happening? Damn, yo. You see? It's fucking weird. And it's in the forest. It's so scary. It's so scary. You cannot, if you are a girl, don't think you can pass in the roads like this. Man, I'm telling you. 2 ways. Which one? Let me use this. What the fuck? Damn. Starting to be scared. See? Come. Damn. That's the other side. Let's explore. My G's, how you doing? Yeah, it's me, your boy, your man, your YouTube channel master. Yeah, make sure you subscribe me, and I will make sure you get the best out of the best content, the best adventures. I'll make sure you will get the best content. Yeah, make sure you subscribe. finally, we are here on the road. Yeah.